Hello, my friends. Pull up a chair, lean in, and let's talk about something that is likely causing you a bit of a headache, maybe a little bit of anxiety, and certainly a lot of confusion. You have spent your entire life working hard, saving every single dollar, being smart with your money so that when you hit retirement, you can sleep soundly at night. And lately, you've been told by your kids, your friends, or maybe your inner voice that you need to diversify. So, you dipped your toes into the world of cryptocurrency on eToro. You bought a little bit of Bitcoin or Ethereum, you feel proud of yourself, and now you want to secure it or move it. You look around the app, and you ask yourself a very fundamental question: where is my crypto wallet address in eToro? You click around, you search the menus, and you can't find it. And suddenly, that minor confusion turns into a very real, very heavy knot in your stomach. Fear creeps in. You start thinking, did I lose my money? Did I buy fake crypto? Am I being scammed? Why is this so hard? I want you to take a deep breath. Your money is safe, but we need to talk about why you can't find that address, because what you don't know will cost you. The core problem here is a massive misunderstanding of what eToro actually is. When you buy crypto on the main eToro investment platform, you are using a custodial platform. That is just a fancy financial term meaning eToro owns and holds the crypto assets on your behalf. They keep the keys, they manage the security, and your coins are sitting in what they call cold storage, totally offline and safe from hackers. Because of that, your main eToro trading account does not have a public crypto wallet address. You cannot look at your account dashboard and see a long string of numbers and letters to send or receive coins. It doesn't exist there. This causes massive panic for people about to retire because you feel like you don't actually own what you paid for. You fear that if you don't have that address, you are locked into their system forever. And God forbid, if something goes wrong with the platform, you think your hard-earned retirement money will vanish into thin air. You want control. You want to know that if you want to move your Bitcoin to a private wallet or give some to your grandkid, you can do it right now. So, how do we solve this? How do you actually get that wallet address? Listen to me closely. To get a crypto wallet address, you have to use a completely separate app called the eToro Money Crypto Wallet. This is a digital wallet app created by eToro specifically for moving, sending, and receiving actual cryptocurrency. Here is exactly what you need to do, step by step, to find that address and take control. First, you must download the eToro Money app on your smartphone and log in using the exact same username and password you use for your regular eToro investment account. Second, you have to understand that your crypto doesn't automatically show up there. You have to manually transfer the crypto from your eToro investment portfolio into this eToro Money wallet. You do this by going to your main eToro portfolio on your computer or phone, clicking on the specific crypto trade you want to move, and selecting Transfer to Wallet. Now, I need to give you a massive warning right here. Do not skip this. eToro charges a 2% fee to transfer your crypto from the trading platform into your eToro Money wallet. Every dollar counts in retirement, so you must decide if having total control over that address is worth losing 2% of your investment right out of the gate. Furthermore, once you transfer your coins into that wallet, you cannot transfer them back to the trading platform. It is a one-way street. Third, once your crypto successfully lands in your eToro Money app, which can take a few days because they manually review these transfers for your safety, you will open that eToro Money app and tap on the Crypto or Wallet tab. Fourth, select the specific cryptocurrency you are looking at, let's say Bitcoin. Once you tap on it, you will see a button that says Receive. Tap that Receive button, and boom, there it is. Your eToro crypto wallet address will appear on the screen. It will look like a completely chaotic, random string of 26 to 35 numbers and letters, right alongside a square QR code. That string of characters is your public key. Think of it exactly like the routing number or IBAN for a bank account. It is the address you give to someone else if they want to send crypto to you, or the address you use if you are transferring crypto from an outside source into eToro. Your ultimate actionable takeaway today is this: do not just start pushing buttons and transferring funds blindly because you are panicked about security. If your goal is simply to hold your crypto as a long-term retirement investment, leaving it right where it is on the main eToro platform is actually the safest, easiest, and most cost-effective thing you can do because it's protected in cold storage and costs you nothing to keep it there. But if you truly need to send your crypto to another person or move it to a private, personal hardware wallet for maximum security, download the eToro Money app, accept the transfer fee, hit that receive button, and copy your public address with absolute precision. Never try to type that address out character by character. One single typo, one missed capital letter, and your money is gone forever into the digital abyss with zero way to recover it. Always use the copy button or scan the QR code. Be smart with your actions, protect your nest egg, and don't let the technology intimidate you. You've got the facts now, so go protect your money.